In this quick video, I want to show you how to preheat and how the preheating works on any GE oven that looks like this. It's fairly simple to do. So you want to know what you want to preheat it at is look on your directions, or you should already know what it's going to be to preheat it. So you have to set the temperature. So these particular meals, obviously they require 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have to leave it in there for 30 minutes to cook. But you want to preheat your oven, and it has to be at a certain temperature before you put the meals in, or your meal. You don't want to put the food in before the preheating is done. So the only thing you have to do is choose bake, and then choose your desired Fahrenheit preheating temperature. A lot of them will go up to 400, some will be 420, depending on what it is. You don't set the timer as of yet. You do that after it is done. So these are at 375, and we'll click start. And then it's going to say PRE. And usually it depends on the degrees. So 375 degrees for these won't take as long as 400, 420. So it will stay on PRE until the oven is completely at 375 degrees, or whatever temperature that you put it at. And then what's going to happen is it's going to go beep, 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 beep. And then the pre is going to turn into the degrees of the oven. So this pre will turn into 375. If you didn't hear the beeping, no big deal. Just keep checking back until you see the 375. For example, 375 degrees would normally take about 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes to heat. 400 might take you 15 minutes before you put it in. All right, so we heard the alarm, and so it turned into 375. So go ahead and put your meal or your meals in the oven. Just as a basis, I usually put it on the center oven. And then this is when you set your timer. So I would just go timer, and they said 30 minutes for these meals. So go, and then I go start. And then after it's done, of course you want to use hand protection to take the meals out. And then in order to stop it from turn it off completely, you just hit cancel off and make sure it shows the time of the day. And then you'll know it's off, and then this red light will turn off. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.